Winter in Canada also means getting prepared for winter driving.
And whether you're dealing with snow, sleet, or rain, the car girl Emma Hancock has got the tips and tricks to keep us all safe on the road this winter season. Emma, great to see you. How are you?
Great to see you guys. All right. Carolyn and Jeff, I brought you a Lincoln today because we're all still reminiscing about that great interview you did with Matthew McConaughey. So
well,
this is the new this is the 7-passenger, 400 horsepower Lincoln Aviator. This is going to be my trusty assistant today, and we can just, pretend that Matthew's in the front seat, pondering winter driving and life in general.
Okay, well, the must-have to survive Canadian winters on the road, of course, Emma. Let's start with the tires, the winter tires. Why do they make such a difference?
Oh my God, winter tires. Yeah, well, you know what? If you live anywhere in Canada that gets below 7 degrees Celsius, you need winter tires. So I think that's everywhere. So you might say, I have all-wheel drive, so I don't need winter tires. Or I live in a big city, so I don't, I just need my all seasons. But the safest car with the safest driver means nothing if you have the wrong tires. So get the right tires. These are Bridgestone Blizzaks. This is an incredible winter tire, and this will give you a 30% shorter stopping distance on ice compared to an all season. So that's pretty major, right guys? I mean, think of all the scenarios where that would make a huge difference, a crosswalk, a highway jam up, throw in some black ice, and that 30% could mean the difference between you stopping safely and something bad happening. And you can see it right in the tread, okay? So as soon as you look at a great winter tire, you can see there's a lot going on. So you see every groove, every pore, the rubber compound is super spongy. It's really nothing like an all season. So, it's about stopping safely in the winter, so get yourself a set of good winter tires.
Okay, for sure, without a doubt. Now let's talk about the importance of keeping them properly inflated.
Yeah, exactly. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm not exactly jazzed about the prospect of, going to the gas station, fiddling around with their communal inflator machine during a pandemic, during the winter. So this is a product that I really love. This is a cordless tire inflator that I got from Atlas Machinery. You can buy it online. And you know what? Trust me, it's gonna make inflating your tire fun. You're gonna feel so empowered doing this on your own time, from the comfort of your own driveway. And here is all you're gonna do. Number one, open the driver's side door, and you're just gonna look inside at the door jamb, and it's a place you probably never look. And right away, it's gonna tell you what the tire pressure should be. So on the Lincoln Aviator, the front tires need to be 38 PSI. Great. Number two, all we're gonna do is take our handy tire inflator, take the cap off, which I already did, attach the hose, and this has taken all about 15 seconds. You're gonna turn it on, and pretty much right away it's gonna give me a reading. So right now it says 37, we know it should be 38, so it's not like a big deal, but it's not correct. So all we're gonna do is make it 38, so it's getting up there, 35, 1, 2, 3, and then we're just gonna press start. Might be a little bit loud.
I love it. Maybe just not do that first thing in the morning. That's all. You might get some problems with the neighbors, but easy peasy.
It sounds like my coffee maker. So it shuts off automatically. You're going to want to do it for all your friends and family. So highly recommend that everyone have one of those. And then the third thing is really important, and it's about your battery. So another vulnerable part of your car in the winter months is your car battery. And, for a couple reasons. Colder months, it has a tendency to drain a little bit. There's also a lot of electronics on the modern cars going on behind the scenes. And when your car is sitting, like during a pandemic, the battery can get a little bit drained for no reason. So this is a battery maintainer that I got from Canadian Tire, and it's so easy. So all you're gonna do is take these clamps that it comes with, these little gator clamps. I already have some that are attached to the battery here. You're then just gonna attach it to this maintainer terminal. And then you're just gonna plug it all in, probably to a really big extension cord, because you're probably gonna be outside with it, and then you're just gonna leave it. Because this is a product that's meant to be left on your car for longer periods of time. So, we're not driving as much. Some of us have second cars that just aren't driving at all. And then the point is that, if you go out to get groceries once every couple of weeks, you go to start the car, it will start. So it's just a great product to have right now.
Gotcha. Okay, now every
couple
car,
extra
Emma,
things.
also needs
Yeah.
an emergency kit in case we find ourselves sadly stuck on the side of the road and maybe there's a bad snowstorm at the same time. So what should be in our emergency kit?
Yeah, I mean, I have a custom emergency kit, of course, because I'm the car girl. But there's, ones you can get from Canadian Tire that are very inexpensive. The most important thing is the booster cables, because you don't want to have to rely on someone else. You want to have your own cables. Other things that you can put in your emergency kit are blankets, some water, some candles, things like that. I also like to have, an extra container of windshield fluid, because I don't know about you, but I always seem to run out exactly when I need it. And a snow brush. You don't want to be that person that we've all seen on the highway that looks like the abominable snowman, and you think, how can they see? They can't see. So have a really good snow brush and use it.
Yeah. There's nothing worse than trying to get the ice off your windshield with a credit card. You ever do that? No fun. No fun.
I've done it with a hockey stick.
Yeah.
Still,
Exactly.
maybe a bit better than a credit card, but why? Why put ourselves in that position when we don't have to?
Yeah.
Emma, such great tips as we prepare for winter driving for the next few months. Thank you so much.